deserving bring you a quick short video. And the video today is about a 12-second commute as your teammates are going to give it to you. This is absolutely free. And if you want to crush your business and really grow your business, you need to have this service. And what is entailed with this service? And I go down and just show you a little bit. You have the email integration, you have lead generation, landing pages, and I'm going to show you how it works in a minute. The price is absolutely zero. You're going to start off with the zero and get used to it. You can get a capture page, you can get 100 subscribers, you have an autoresponder and many other things in here. And plus you can make a few dollars. So let's get started. And basically all you do is come in, log in to your back office, because you're going to create a username and a password. You come in here, all you're doing is going to the service, and you just click on service, and I'm going to go to autoresponder. We're not going to worry about capture pages and everything yet. We're just going to set up your business up so you can collect leads, and so you can broadcast to the leads or send a message to the leads whenever you want to grow your business opportunity. First thing you have to do is create a list. So go ahead and create a list. And I'm going to give the list a name. I'm going to say recruit, so prospecting. I'm going to use the same list name. So say the list title. And when you do this, you have to make sure it's all together. So put it all together, because if you don't, it's not going to work. There. Use the same name. You can put a little description down here. Your name could be your name, RVINGCROXEN. You can add your telephone number. You can add your Facebook, or you can put your call to action back to your blog. I can go back here and add, my website. So you can put Facebook, it could be group or page. It's basically give them a call to action. Up here, you want to put the email that you want people to reply to. So I'm going to put that, my first name, from, and you can, again, write a little description, say, thank you. Something like that, very simple. Then you create. So now you have, because you have to have a mailing list in order to create an autoresponder. So I'm going to go back here and click on this. The mailing list is done. Now I'm going to come over here and click on new auto message. So I'm going to come down here. And what it says for mailing lists, you click over here for your mailing list that you want to make it from. I'm going to use the same one that I just made. Always go with text and HTML. You can put the subject here again. I'm going to use the same thing. Learn how to recruit with prospecting. Okay. I'm not going to use a template. It's still fixing on the template. I'm just going to put a message in here, or you can put an image. So I'm just going to put this image in there for now to show you. Paste it. This is very simple to do, and this is really going to help you. Put my website underneath of there, or the call to action, wherever you want to take people to. Could be a video that you made of your business opportunity. So I'm just going to put that in there, and boom, it's done. So I come down here, and they have their name of the mailing list. You want to insert that. Your signature for your choosing list. Yes, because you're going to put the signature to your first name and your last name so people know who was coming from. Unsubscribe. Email address of the subscriber, yes, and their first name. Okay? So the first 5. So I got to come over here and do the same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's the profile we call variables, but we won't get into that yet. So again, we have the first name. I'm going to take this first name, And I'm going to come up here. I'm going to add it to my right here. So when it goes out, when they join, put that like that. And when they join, it's going to be their name. So if they join up with, say, Tom Smith, when that letter goes, it's going to say, "Hey, Tom Smith," and then the title of the letter, how to recruit without prospecting, and learn how to recruit without prospecting. So they're going to get that letter. I'm going to put here, take this off here so people don't get confused. Keep the letter. We got capital. There. Keep it the same. So that way when the letter goes out, you're growing your list and also people. This is very important. The day number. So if you want to go right away, you just put 0. If you put 1, it'd be the day they join up, they will get the next day. If they put 2, they'll be 2 days later after they join. I always click this one because it says if the autoresponder message is already available for the day, specify, shifted up everything. And sometimes it's good to do that because if somebody already went into the list and got the first message, okay, because you can make more than one message that will drip on the people and that will move it up. And it says save an option. So now I can save it in draft, but I want to have it ready for delivery. So all I do is now submit. That is very easy and done. If I want to put another message to that, I go back here, it says compose a new auto in the same list, or compose a new autoresponder in for another list. So I'm going to go, if I go back here to the same list that I just made the first one with, I can make my second letter. There it is already in there. I can come down here and do the HTML. Okay. Put my title again in there. You can put any title you want of the next name of the letter. You can still put another just text or image in here with another call to action, a video or whatever you want to promote. You come down here. You're going to do the same variables, put them in. Just put the variables in there. So that way, I always do the first 5. That's it. I don't want, because you don't want to ask for their last name and their address. They won't do it. So just a basic, their name and their email. That's all you need. Okay. So this is the second message I'm doing. So I made the first one 0. This one will be just 1. So that will go out the day after. I will click on here, make that ready, and click submit. So now I got 2 letters. So that way, when they get the first letter, the next day, they're going to get another letter that's going to be dripped on them. This is how you build your business on autopilot. So I hope you like this little short little video. And again, I want to finish up by doing this. You have people in your list. Now you want to broadcast, you can create a new broadcast. And I want to show you how quick that is. This is powerful, little feature. So now I come down here, same kind of thing, create, and this is called a draft. So again, I'm just going to use the same format. I can call this, again, learn how to recruit whatever I want to say to them. You can put a message in here or an image with a call to action link. And all you're doing is saving it. The same variables you put in and you save it as draft. So now, let me show you what I mean. So I'm just going to come here. I'm just going to say, thank you. Very simple. A couple of variables in here. Just to give you an idea what it looks like. Come down here, save as draft. Now, what I want to do, I want to send out a broadcast now to my list. So I click on broadcast where it says select your draft, and that means your message you want to send out. And then don't touch this. Go in here and click on continue. It's going to come up. That's the message that I just made. That was in the draft. I got the variables and everything in here. All I have to do is come down now, click on deliver now, and then submit. So this is going to go right to everyone that's on my list that has signed up. Okay. And that's the list right there. So anyone that signs up for my new list, could be 100 people, 500 people. You can send a broadcast to them every day, every week about webinars, upcoming training you have, or you can bring them back, let them take a look at a new offer you have on your, let me show you the page. And this is powerful of training people whenever you want to train them. So I go back here and go to visit my site. And now you get a chance. I can bring them back here for a free training. You can take them to Facebook. You may be doing a live video on Facebook, and you can send them that live video. So you can do a lot of stuff when you broadcast to your list. So I hope you understand the power of 12-second commute and how you can fire your boss and help your new teams to fire their boss and make some serious money and grow their business. This is Irvin Crux, and God bless you and have a wonderful day.